In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete an eBay account using the account closure option in your eBay settings. To get started, sign into your eBay account. Once you're on eBay, go to the top left corner of the page and hover over your account name. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, look for the Account Preferences section. This is where eBay keeps options related to managing the status and preferences of your account. Select Close Account to begin the account closure process. Quick side note, for more simple eBay tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. Now, wait for the closure page to load. You'll see important information about what happens when you close your account, so take a moment to browse through and read these details before continuing. When you're ready, click Close Account. This opens another page where eBay asks you to confirm why you want to close the account. Click the drop-down field. Choose the reason that best applies to you and provide any requested specification. After selecting your reason, check the box labeled I want to close my eBay account. This confirms that you want to proceed with the closure request. Finally, click Submit to send your request to eBay. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to close your eBay account.